Hello everyone, I thought you might like to see this mosaic. It shows two foxes, and I've made lots of mosaics of foxes and they've always proved popular. This one's unusual because the actual foxes themselves, their bodies, are all one fusion. They're joined here and here. Little marinis for their nose, which is quite cute, I think. And then the tails are also one big fusion. So essentially, although this is a little legs and bits of the tail there and there, essentially three fusions, the bodies and the tails, make up this entire mosaic. So technically it was quite a challenge. I called it Vexed Vixens because they look so angry with each other and they're staring each other out. But on further inspection, their tails form a heart. The whole mosaic is a heart. I've tucked it in here under their noses so that this negative space between them is a heart. The border is a heart, of course, and furthermore, the andamento, the opus that make up the background, are all concentric hearts. So we've got hearts within hearts within hearts. So in fact, it's a romantic piece. When I realised that, I changed the name to Frisky Foxes. And with Valentine's Day coming up, I thought it would be a nice one to show you and say, Happy Valentine's Day to all you frisky foxes out there.